Welcome to Cooking with Frankie Meatball. Today we are going to make some fresh pasta. And I'd like to introduce to you a new member of the Frankie Meatball cooking team. This is my man, Chef Giuseppe. Everybody say hello to Chef Giuseppe. Good boy. We're going to make some fresh pasta. And let me tell you something. Once you taste fresh pasta, you're not going to want any other pasta here on Cooking with Frankie Meatball. Frankie Meatball always say, hey, the fresher, the better. Well, today, we're going to make some fresh pasta. And you can't get no fresher than that. Eh? You want to get yourself some extra fine flour, 00. You'll see it in your local supermarket. It's, under the bacon needs. You know what I mean? It should be what the pasta needs, but it's what the bacon needs. You know what I mean? And you know what? In the bacon aisle, there's no bacon. I'm going to show you the way how it was meant to be done, okay? Everything by hand. So, we're going to start with 3 3/4 cup of extra fine 00 flour. Just pile it right up, like I did. Put your fingers directly in the middle, and just make a swimming pool or a jacuzzi. However you want to do it. Don't be afraid to spread it out. Like I said, you make your walls, in case you're paranoid, it's a little low on the sides, because you're going to dump liquid in here, okay? So, you want 4 eggs, okay, and 1 extra yolk. Just pour that right in there. Beautiful Wilmax dishes. 1/4 of a cup of extra virgin olive oil. Like Frankie Meatball says, how do you get an extra virgin, huh? But anyway, extra virgin olive oil. You have to use extra virgin olive oil. It's for the taste. I'm telling you, extra virgin olive oil. If you don't get it, if you don't have it, go get it. Extra virgin olive oil, huh? Boom. And you want to do 2 tablespoons of water. Boom. And also, kosher salt to taste. I just like to throw 2 nice little booms in there, okay? Just because you're watching, I'm going to do 3. 3. If you're from South Philly, you don't say 3, you say 3. Okay, now, grab a fork and just start scrambling your eggs. You want to scramble them eggs good before you start mixing the flour in. Go around the side and mix that flour in. Make sure you get it where it's thick. Just mix it in with your fork. Throw some in there, mix it in. You can kind of go around the side, however you want to do it. The first person I ever saw that did this, that I seen make a flour mound and do the eggs in the middle is my Aunt Kathy. I was a kid. I don't know what she was making. But I seen her, put flour on the table and put some stuff in the middle. I mean, it was amazing. I thought I was like, what the hell? That was great. So, that's my story of that. The 3 3/4 cup of flour, you might use it or you might not. So keep your eye on the consistency. If you're using parchment paper underneath, be careful not to scrape it. Okay, look, you've seen it come together now, okay? Okay, I'm going to put down the fork in a minute. I'm going to push this over here. I'm going to keep that flour there, okay? Like I said, sometimes it gets a little too dry. You don't want it to be dry, so you want to watch how much flour you put in. Okay, now we're going to start folding it in with our hands, okay? Nice, look at that. That is coming out nice. Just keep folding it in, bottom to the top, bottom to the top. See, now I'm digging this consistency right here, so I'm not even going to put the rest of that in. So I'm going to probably have to rewrite the recipe, but do what I say, you know what I'm saying? Do what I say. You don't want it too dry. Now we got the dough. We're going to knead it to make pasta. I'm going to knead it, and then we're going to make pasta. Need it, you need it, I need it, we all need it. Oh, baby. We all need it, huh? I put some flour down so my dough won't stick to my counter. So what you want to do is fold the dough over, push forward. Okay? Fold it up, again, turn it, push forward. Fold it, push forward. You want to push forward. And as you knead it, you'll feel the dough get tighter. Okay, you gotta allow that flour to work in the dough. Like if you're kneading it, you can feel it. You can tell the different consistency. It's a little thicker. You want it thicker than your pizza dough. You want it harder than your pizza dough. Fold it down and forward. Fold it down and forward. We are actually done, huh? There is your pasta dough. Take some plastic wrap. Hopefully yours is in better shape than mine. Wrap it up nice and tight. And there you have it. We're going to wrap her up nice and tight and come back to it for 20 minutes. You let this rest. We'll come back to it in 20 minutes. Okay. All right. It's been 20 minutes. Our dough's been rested. You got your pasta roller, okay? This is where the love happens. This is where it all comes together, okay? Your pasta rollers, get the one that you turn with your hand. Better than the one that goes on the KitchenAid because it's more money on the KitchenAid and look, hands on, you know what I mean? Hands on. I don't think your finger can get caught in there, but be careful, you never know, you know? Anyway, you can get these real cheap. The cheapest I've seen them on Amazon, about $30. The pasta maker comes with 3 settings. Okay, right here is where you would flatten the dough. And right here you got 2 settings. You got a thick, looks like a linguine. I like it thin, so I never do the thick, but I'll do it for you. Okay, and then we got the thin over here. Okay, so, and then you just take out your thing after you flatten your dough, put it in, roll it. We'll show you all about it. Okay, what we're going to do first is we're going to flatten out the pasta dough. Okay, now this time, if you have little helpers around the house that like to cook, now's the time you want to call them over, have them come and help you. I'm going to have my daughter come in and help us, since she has got me into making fresh pasta. So she's going to come up in a minute whenever she's ready. So we're going to, yeah, just cut it. Okay, here she goes, guys. Everybody say hi to Kayla. Kayla is the main reason why I was on Worst Cooks in America. It was her favorite show. She was binge watching it. And she asked me, Daddy, how's, hey, you want to turn? I told her not to be shy, guys. Not too fast. You don't want to turn it too fast. Okay? Flatten it out with your hands first. Okay? You just want to lay it in. And you're going to do each number twice. Okay? Start off on the thickest setting. So 2 on 7. Okay? I'm getting in the way. Okay, go ahead, spin. So yeah, Kayla is the reason why I was on Worst Cooks in America. It was her favorite show. And I figured if I could be on my daughter's favorite show, what a present to give her. Okay, one more time on 6. All right, then we'll go down to 5. We're going to go down to 5. Boom. One more on 5. Then we'll go down to 4. Okay. Not too fast, not too slow, nice and steady. Boom, 4. Okay, I'm going to do one more time on 4. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this in half because it's getting kind of long. Okay, so I'm going to cut her in half. All right, and we're going to go one more time on 4. And then 2 times on 3, and that's it. Because look how thin it's getting, huh? If you want your pasta a little thicker, you don't have to go down to 3, but I like it nice and thin, like Angel here. So we're going to take this, and we're going to set this to the side. For those of you who know Kayla loves cooking. She just got accepted to a BCIT, which they have culinary arts. Okay? She loves to cook. Who's your favorite? Who's your favorite chef on TV? Besides me. I know I'm your favorite chef, but...
Guy Fieri.
She likes Guy, Diners, Drive-Ins, and Dives. Chef Ann or no Chef Ann? No more Chef Ann since she kicked me off her show?
What?
So we flattened out some of our pasta. Now we're going to put it in our pasta maker, and I'm going to do one thick for you so you can see the sizes. But today, I'm going thin. And when you're not using your dough, please wrap it up. You do not want it to dry out, okay? When it dries out, it's going to break. It's not going to roll out good, okay? So what we're going to do here, we're going to take the thing. Kayla, go ahead. It's your ball game. We're going to do it in the thicker one. But it's like more like linguine. I'm not a linguine kind of guy. Look at that. How nice is that? Huh, guys? I'm telling you, you do this and you taste it, you're going to be like, oh my God, how come I didn't do this before, you know? You got nothing to do on a Sunday, you know what I mean? This is what you do. You make a pot of grisauce, you make some meatballs, and you make some pasta. It's a nice thing you can do with your kids. I do it with my daughter. Alright? She's the one that got me to do it. So we're going to go ahead and make some spaghetti. Scott, want to try to keep it in the middle? Look at that spaghetti, guys. Look at that spaghetti. Wow, huh? We're going to put it over here. And we're going to spread it apart a little bit, huh? Look at that, guys, huh? Very nice. Ever since she found out I made squid ink pasta on Worst Cooks, she's like, Daddy, we gotta make it, we gotta make pasta, but we gotta do it the Chef Ann way, Chef Ann way. We gotta do it the Chef Ann way with the bowl, not with the bowl. We gotta put it on the table and do the thing. Like I said, the first person I saw that did that was my Aunt Kathy. And I thought it was pretty cool, so I was like, yeah, I'll do it with you, I'll do it with you. Right, Kayla? So, those of you out there that liked me on Worst Cooks, you have Kayla to thank, guys. I got the water about to boil. Okay? I'm going to cook this up for you guys. And believe me, it's going to be beautiful. How do you think pasta tastes fresh compared to the box?
There's no comparison.
Why is it there?
Because it tastes like heaven.
Boom. Tastes like heaven. I can live with that. Alright guys, you heard it from Kayla herself. Kayla the Meatball. You heard it from her, you heard it from the meatball. The fresher, the better. You'll see the pasta when it's done, it'll all be floating at the top, real nice. And it actually changed color, you know? You'll know when it's done. Make sure you get all that water off, guys. Huh? Fresh pasta. Look at that, Frankie Meatball. I'm telling you, Kayla, come over here. Look at this. I'll put some here. We'll get it. We're going to do a Chef Ann twirl. All right, wow, look at that. Look at that, guys. Don't forget to get your gravy boat at wilmax.com, right, Mikey? Everybody needs a gravy boat from wilmax.com. The dishes, forget about it. Look at this, we're gonna put some of the grisauce on there. Look at that. Oh my God, look at that pasta. Just sucking up that grisauce. Oh, madonna. Gonna put some parsley on her. Boom. Now, my favorites, look at that. Some fresh grated on there. Come on, guys, look at this. Huh? Frankie Meatball does it again. Take a look, huh, guys? How beautiful is that? Come and take a look. Beautiful. Let me spin that around for you so you can see all sides of the dish. Look at this. Look at that, huh? How beautiful is that, guys? Huh? If you like what you saw, hit like and subscribe. Email me your address so I can email you a sticker. I got a fresh load of stickers in, guys. I got a fresh load, so who's ever waiting on a sticker, email me your address at cookingwithfrankiemeatball@gmail.com.